हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल। सो आज की इस वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं इंडिया की टॉप आईटी जॉब ओपनिंग्स के बारे में। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले बात करने वाले बैट की। तो बैट बेसिकली एसडीए इंटर्न रोल के लिए बैंगलोर लोकेशन के लिए हायरिंग कर रहा है। ठीक है, आप ये सारा रेडी पढ़ सकते हैं। मैंने सारे इंपॉर्टेंट लिंक वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दी है, वहाँ आप जाके चेकआउट कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट वन विच इज दी सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग इंटर्न इन द समर इंटर्नशिप फॉर द बैच ऑफ 2026। Okay, you can click on the apply now button and you can apply over here for the job location of the Gurgaon, Haryana. Okay, coming to next one, which is the Visa is hiring for the HDA1 role for the software engineering. Okay, which is happening in the Bangalore. This will be the full-time opportunity. Okay, you can click on the apply now button and you can apply for the job. Coming to next one, which is the Bears Dev is hiring for the junior JavaScript developer. Okay, you can click on the apply now button and you can apply for this. Before applying, you can check the JD, what are the requirements they are hiring for. Okay, coming to next one, which is the AI engineering intern for the job location of the Pune, Maharashtra. Okay, you can check the what are the qualifications they are hiring for. Okay, if you are fit in that, so you can click on the apply now button and you can apply for the job opportunity. Coming to the next one, which is the Intensara is hiring for the software developer internship. Okay, you can click on the apply button and you can apply for the job. Coming to the next one, which is the AI ML engineering intern. Okay, for the location of the India, you can click on the easy apply now button and you can apply for the job opportunity. Coming to the MNC one, which is the um, associate system engineering, which is the IBM is hiring for that. Okay, for the multiple job location, so you can click on the apply now button and you can apply for the associate system engineering role. Okay, this is the entry level job opportunity. Okay, at 2025, 2026 or 2027 or 2024 is eligible for that opportunity. Coming to the next one, which is the walking drive, it is happening in the campus of the Hyderabad. Okay, Hyderabad, sorry, it is happening in the Ahmedabad. Okay, in the Infotech um, building. Okay, you can click on the apply now button and you can go there for the attending the Zydus walking drive. Coming to the next one, which is the Amazon is hiring for the HDA1 role. Okay, this is the registration form. You can register your details over here and then you are eligible for the applying a application form. Coming to the next one, which is the EI is hiring for the testing BCM of campus for the job location of the Chennai, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Okay, so basically you can read the whole description, what are the requirements they are hiring for that. Okay, and you can click on the apply button, you can apply for the job opportunity. Coming to the next one, which is the Infosys hiring for the multiple job location. These are the requirements they are hiring for, like what should be educational qualification and other qualifications. Okay, if you are fit in that, so you can click on the accept and you can see the multiple job opportunity and you can click on that and you can continue with the application. Coming to the next one is the Gensar is hiring for the multiple job domains. This is the Microsoft Google form. Okay, so I already shared this in the video description. You can check over there and you can apply for this job opportunity. Okay, coming to the next one, which is the Eurofins is hiring for the interns. Okay, for the job location of the Bangalore, Karnataka. This is the JD. Okay, so you can click on the I am interested button and you can apply for the job opportunity. Coming to the next one, which is the full stack developer internship, which is the Ubisoft Innovation is hiring for the number of opening for the 7. Okay, this will be the full stack development. Okay, there is the best opportunity for the work from home. You can click on the apply button and you can apply for the job opportunity. Coming to the next one, which is the um, career is hiring for the associate engineer. Okay, the job location will be the Bangalore. Okay, Bangalore will be the job location and job title will be the associate engineering. Okay, this will be the full-time opportunity. You can click on the apply button and you can apply for the job. Coming to the next one, which is the associate analytic learning and admin Hyderabad location. Okay, so you can click on the apply now button. You can apply for the Deloitte. Okay, Deloitte is the also MNC in India. Okay, if you find this video as a helpful for your job or career growth, you can click on the like button and you can like to my video, and also subscribe to my channel so that you can get the regular update and to get the best job opportunity for your career. Thank you so much.